Okay, so here's what happens when you're evacuating for a hurricane and in the middle of it you've decided that you have to can all the meat that's in your freezer. You end up, if you don't have damage, coming home and having to put all this stuff away. So what I'm doing this morning is I am washing off the outsides of my jars and I'm labeling them and I'm taking rings off as I go. Here's one that has a ring on it. The scariest part of canning for me is this step. It's not putting it in the jars. It's not actually canning it. It is taking off that ring. And the reason that's scary is because then you have to lift your jar up by the lid and hold it for at least 3 seconds to make sure that that lid is completely tight. And that jar is full and that jar is sealed. Thank goodness. Yesterday I did this to a jar and that jar popped the lid off and I ended up wearing beans. So here's what it looks like right now. This is my little area where I was putting all my jars. And I have an electric pressure canner sitting on the floor right now because I just took it off this countertop so I could put that jar case up there. So here's what we've got. And let's see if I can get this stuff all put away and get everything back where it belongs. Okay, and so here we are. I've got almost all the jars tested. Everything sealed. And here is how I mark my jars. I put the month and the year and label the jar with what it is. And I'm using a Sharpie marker to write on mine so it's not super crisp and clear, but the only person who's going to be using these jars is me, and I can read my own sloppy handwriting. So here are all my jars from my fast canning all put away. That blank space right there is supposed to have my Instant Pot in it, but it's on the counter over there, creating dinner for tonight from some of my other jars of food. So it can be as simple or as difficult as you want to make it to can, but this is a little bit of my canning storage and a little bit of how I get things put away when it's all just been crazy like it was with the hurricane. And then my canner just sits back up on its counter. I've moved all those rings to be washed. The towel needs to go be washed. And the one jar that's still out, I may use it for dinner tonight or lunch tomorrow. Thank you for watching.